Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Entering the clinic. I finally reached the clinic. I've been feeling unwell since yesterday, and I really need to see a doctor. My throat hurts, and I've been coughing all night. I hope it's nothing serious. Let's go in and check. At the reception. Good morning. I'd like to see the doctor, please.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Is it possible to see a general physician now?
Sure. You just need to fill out this form and wait for your turn.
All right, thank you. Let's see. Name, age, symptoms. Okay, done. I'll take a seat in the waiting area. Waiting area. There are a lot of people waiting today. I guess it's flu season again. I should have come earlier. Anyway, let me sit here for a while. I really don't like visiting the doctor, but what can I do? Maybe I should drink some water. My throat feels dry. Oh, I forgot to bring my water bottle. Next time I should remember that. Oh, look, a health poster. Drink more water, sleep well, eat healthy. Yeah, I should really follow that advice. Nurse calls her. Miss, it's your turn. Please come in. Oh, thank you. Finally! I was waiting for almost 20 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Meeting the doctor.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been having a sore throat and a mild fever since last night.
Do you also have a cough or cold?
Yes, a little cough, but no runny nose.
All right, let me check your temperature first. It's slightly high, about 99.8 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like a mild viral infection.
Oh, I see. I was a bit worried it might be something serious.
Don't worry, it's common this season, just a viral infection.
Oh, I see.
That's a relief.
Doctor's checkup.
Open your mouth, please. Let me check your throat.
Ah.
Yes, your throat looks red and slightly swollen. You'll be fine with a few days of rest and medicine.
Okay, doctor. Should I take antibiotics?
No, not now. I'll give you some tablets for fever and throat pain. If the fever doesn't go down in 3 days, come back for a follow-up.
Sure, thank you so much.
Health advice.
Drink warm water regularly.
Avoid ice cream, cold drinks, and spicy food.
Gargle with warm salt water twice a day. Okay, I'll remember that.
And most importantly, get enough sleep.
Yes, I've been sleeping late lately. I'll fix that.
Good. Take care of your health.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day. Collecting medicine. Hi, I need to buy these medicines.
Sure. Please give me the prescription.
Here it is.
Okay. Here are your tablets. Take one in the morning and one at night after meals.
All right, thank you.
Get well soon.
Thanks a lot. I should go straight home and rest. Oh, wait, maybe I should buy some soup packets too. Yes, that will help my throat. Leaving the clinic. All right, done with the checkup and medicine. I already feel a bit better knowing it's nothing serious. I'll take the medicine on time and drink warm water. Oh, I should text my mom and tell her I'm fine. Otherwise, she'll keep calling me every 5 minutes. Moms always worry too much. Anyway, I'll go home now. Maybe I'll take a short nap after lunch. Back home. Finally home. I'll take my medicine and lie down for a while. I think some warm soup will make me feel better. It's always comforting to rest at home after visiting the doctor. I should set an alarm to remind me to take the next dose. Done. I hope I feel much better tomorrow.